Hello, my fellow peers and I are a research team currently developing a method to separate water into its base elements, hydrogen and oxygen. This process is known as electrolysis, and its chemical formula is H2O to H2 plus O2.
To balance this equation, we must add a coefficient of 2 to get the H2O and a coefficient of 2 to the H2. This leads to 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen on the product and reaction side of the equation, making the chemical equation balanced.
Electrolysis is a decomposition reaction since H2 breaks up into its 2 base elements, hydrogen and oxygen.
We also found that approximately 900 grams of water are required to make 100 grams of H2, or hydrogen gas.
We find this through doing a calculation that sets up a fraction of 100 grams of hydrogen over 1. Then we set up 1 mole of hydrogen over 2 grams of hydrogen. The molar mass for H2. We then go to our new substance, which creates a mole ratio fraction of 2 moles of H2O over 2 moles of H2. Finally, we take molar mass of H2O, which is 18 grams of H2O, and put it over 1 mole of H2O. Now we multiply all these fractions and we get 3,600 grams of water over 4 moles of H2O. We divide this and get 900 grams of water required to get 100 grams of hydrogen gas.
While we could use this process to create hydrogen fuel, we don't currently use water as a hydrogen source because it takes a large amount of energy in order to cause the decomposition process. In order to begin the chemical reaction that separates water into hydrogen and oxygen, we need to use electricity to start the reaction and separate the elements. Hydrogen, however, is a great energy carrier, which makes it a great fuel to use. Therefore, we should use water as a hydrogen source, as it would lead to renewable clean fuel that would also be very efficient. Thank you for listening to our explanation on the subject.